Megatron, they got away.
In the sweet name of Primus, report back to me immediately.
As you command, Megatron. Calling all Autobots! Calling all Autobots! Calling all Autobots! Calling all Autobots!
How are you feeling, Mirage?
Not good, Prime.
I tried to get here as fast as I could, Optimus.
Thanks for coming, Ratchet.
No problem. Actually, what is the problem?
I got shot by Shockwave's fusion cannon.
Yeah, I can tell.
Can you fix it?
Sure I can.
We need to do something about the growing Decepticon numbers.
I don't know how they are growing in numbers, but we must not be frightened by their large numbers.
Yeah, you're right.
How did you let this happen?
Oh, sorry, Lord Megatron.
Better not fail me again or I'll have your spark as a trophy.
Yes, Lord Megatron.
There you go.
Thanks, Doc.
Don't mention it.
Optimus, we have a problem.
On it.
Optimus, I thought you were dead.
I thought you were dead.
It's a long story.
Lord Megatron, I have good news.
This better be good.
It's me. It is.